Okay, hot on the tail of the last video. I've just been drumming it into you about how important it is to make sure that you've got your team of professionals set up. And so I've created this document here for you to put those details into. If you're getting one-on-one coaching from me, then I will be making sure that you have this filled out from the beginning. And so obviously your mortgage broker. If you need help finding a mortgage broker, I've got two or three that I think are amazing and I can give you some guidance there and maybe some suggestions. I do not take any kickback from any of the recommendations I give to any of my clients or students. And also, I don't give a kickback and I don't accept a kickback. So everything's kosher there. It's all based on good quality service. And I have said before, I really do prefer a boutique situation with regards to these professionals that I would recommend to you. I don't like dealing with the larger organizations. It's just my personality. I prefer to be almost handheld through. I handhold my clients through their home purchase. I like to have professionals who do that for my clients and for me. It's just my preference in life, really. So, um, mortgage broker, conveyancer, and then you'll notice that I've got more than one option for you to put in your building and pest inspectors because they can be tricky to find and they can be tricky to find availability that suits you if you're needing to have an inspection done pronto, which happens a lot, especially in Brisbane. And a financial planner, I've put that there because I think that if you've not really got a straightforward situation, like a mortgage broker, a creative mortgage broker, they can have a look at your financial situation and they can say, okay, if you want to be able to purchase this home in 12 months, then you need to have these ducks in a row. And let me tell you the best way to get there. Let me tell you the best banks that are going to help you to do that. And so that's the mortgage broker will potentially flag the fact that you should see a financial planner if your situation's not straightforward. Anyway, please fill that sheet out and we can discuss any recommendations, but my guidance would be to go with Google reviews and to sit down and ask the people who you're considering hiring. It's a bit like a job interview. You don't just hire anyone. You don't just walk into a place and say, hey, I need a conveyancer. You can be so much better looked after if you've picked a mortgage broker or a conveyancer or a building and pest inspector or a financial planner who has got a more boutique business. Their name is their reputation, is their business, is their future. Okay, so there you go. That's what that form is doing inside your workbook. Fill it out. Do it now. Do it early in the piece. Do the research now. Let me know if you need any help. Ask friends for recommendations. Read the Google reviews. Meet the people. Ask them questions. And you will notice that for each one of these professions, apart from the financial planner, I have got other information on how to select these guys here. So go for it.